In this tutorial, we're going to look at our pyramid here. So as we know, it's a flat-sided shape and it's similar to a cube in that we've got two opposing sides. So what we're going to do is we're going to look a little bit at our grid. So what I recommend is for our left-hand surface, we're going to go in between a 1 and a 2 because this surface is kind of in between here. It's facing upwards a little bit and it's facing left. On this one, I've gone for a 2 to 3 roughly because again, it's facing up, so it should get a bit of that light from above, but it is on the opposing side of the shape. So we're just going to think of that as we shade. I'm just going to refer to my drawing example. So this is the one that I've done using an orange pencil, and it just gives you a rough idea of what your end product should look like. So let's go back to my plain line version. And again, I like to follow the line on the edge. So just work my pencil back and forth in a straight manner. And notice how I stop at that midpoint. Now what I tend to find is if you were to go across the whole thing in one layer, the angle of the pencil line will make it look flat. So what I like to do is make sure that each of my surfaces has a different direction, and that just adds to that 3D-ness I find. So again, I've got 2 to 3 layers on this side and 1 to 2 on this side. Now, depending on what media you use, so whether you're using pencil, rendering marker, and the kind of quality of your pencil, the type of your pencil, will depend on how many layers. So my suggestion is between 1 and 3, but you are welcome to go back and do a 4th layer, or even think about leaving a surface blank to show that it is the brightest. So in the next video, you'll be able to see the cube and the pyramid done, and we're going to work on the truncated pyramid.